Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video and my name is Sanket and I'm the founder and CEO of ROI Magnet. So in this video we are going to talk about top two news in digital landscape, right? So let's get started. What are those top two news? So first is obviously Google's decision to reverse its cookie policies from Chrome web browser, right? And second one, are we into the best digital era of this century? Now, this is slightly offbeat from the performance marketing, right? But you will definitely like this, right? So let's get started. But before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. The first one is Google's abandons plan to remove cookies, right? So Google planned to phase out its cookies in Chrome, aiming to enhance user privacy by eliminating cross-website tracking, right? So this is something that Google was thinking after this Apple guys did completely block it from Safari and all, right? So that was really bad, and it faced a lot of opposition from advertisers and regulators specifically from the UK. They are going to they are going to in sort of talks in the month of August, in the next month, right? So now this advertiser firms are not small firms; they are very big listed firms, right? So after they get opposition from advertisers and regulators, they announced a retention of cookies, and they said that okay, let user decide whether they want to keep it or not. So I think that's a good idea. It is definitely a positive thing for advertisers. We all have went through that painful time when Apple introduced iOS 14.5, 14, that particular period. So I think this is definitely a relief, and Google has done this, so that's a good thing. So what are the implication and industry reactions? So digital advertising and tech sectors argued the removal of cookie would disrupt their business. Yes, it did disrupt our business in India when Meta did this thing. Their business models and potentially heighten the Google's data advantage. Now, I feel why Google has taken a U-turn because of this regulatory thing. So, UK regulators investigated the potential anti-competitive nature of Google's initial plans, right? So, I think that would be one of the major reason why Google would have, taken a U-turn there. And thanks to the UK regulators, they have taken this thing. Now we won't face any uh, another disaster in cookies and all. That really hurts advertisers and the D2C brands. The tracking becomes tough, the prices, the CACs and everything shoots up, or it's become very tough to calculate and everything, right? So obviously, I mean, the UK's Competition and Markets Authority is open to comments on this change until August 12th. So as I said earlier, they are going to have this meet or something, right? So yeah. And the next one would be Ola Electric IPO. Finally, it is coming, right? So let's see what is there in IPO. So now this is very interesting thing. So these are some of the brands you can see on your screen, like Policy Bazaar, Mamaearth, Zomato, Nykaa, Paytm, which like almost all of us have like at least once used it, or we might have bought something from here. I'm pretty sure Zomato and Paytm, like everybody must have used it at some point of time. Zomato, though, everybody would have like they must be you must be using it, right? So yeah, so these are the market capitalization. Look at Zomato's market cap, 198,000 crore rupees. That's really big. I think recently their share prices have surged to another level, and that made Dipinder Goyal billionaire as well. I think he's worth now more than 8,500 crore rupees or something. And we have all these companies like Nykaa, Paytm. They have their fair shares of ups and downs, right? Uh, but now with this, there will be another player that will be Ola Electric. Mind you, this is not Ola, that ride sharing app and all. This is Ola Electric, right? So this is mix of fresh issue and OFS, that is offer for sale. Lot of existing investors are going to offload their equity. They are going to take exit right now, right? And Bhavish Agrawal is also going to offload 3.8 crore shares out of it, right? So they are demanding valuation of $4.5 billion, and this issue will start on 1st August 2024, and you will receive the shares in your demat on 9th of August 2024, right? So please note that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, whatever. Don't, this is just a educational video. Don't, go and buy Ola Electric. Why? If you look at, FY 22-23 financial statement, they have reported 14,000 crore rupees loss. That's a big number, right? That's a very, very, very big number. But we all have seen Zomato's journey. Zomato, it got listed around 74 rupees, I guess, right? Then it went to 40 rupees, and there were a lot of memes and everything was coming that tomato is more expensive than Zomato and everything, right? But, mind you that these businesses like D2C, or, digital first Internet of Things businesses and everything, they are not as same as your any traditional business, right? Their cash flow and everything is completely different, and they're very riskier as well. You need a lot of capital initially to validate the product, set the market, and everything. So Zomato definitely turned out to be good, better. I think it is now trading around 200 plus rupees, right? So similarly, if you look at the Ola, they are going to raise some 5,500 crore rupees, right? And this money will be used to basically set the cell manufacturing factory. They are, I think, trying to get some 5 gigawatts of capacity build up. Then some 700, 800 crore rupees will be invested in R&D, some debt repayment, some organic growth and everything. So this is where the money is going to be used. And yeah, I think it's a very fast growing business, and fast growing businesses definitely uh, take losses, heavy losses initially, but if they have good hold on the market. So if you look at the Ola, they I think command more than 30-40% of the market share right now, which is a very commendable thing, right? And yeah, I think definitely that's a very good thing. Along with that, if you see recent budget, so in the recent budget, what has happened, government has abolished that 30% angel investment tax. So, Ola Electric IPO is coming, market is stabilizing. A lot of other similar brands like Swiggy, Oyo, etc., they will also start doing their IPO eventually, right? And I remember in 2022, we were working with at least 4 to 5 brands who in that year raised some money. In 2023, I remember there was only one. In 2024, it is dry. So, this has been journey in last 2 to 3 years where they call it funding winter, right? So raising money was a little bit tougher. But now I think things are becoming better and better, and after that tax and everything is gone on the angel investment, people will invest money in the startups, and see, that's how you basically build any D2C brand or any new style brand. uh, Definitely, it's risky, and there will be a lot of losses and all everything. But if you have right product, good team, and everything, then things can definitely take to another level. So yeah, that was it. That was in this video. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, hit the like button. Share this video with your colleagues, friends, and if you are watching this video on non-YouTube platform, then make sure to follow us.